Good morning, students. In last lecture we completed our chapter 4 rational number, and in the last I gave one question that what should be added to this so that sum is the product of minus 7 by 50 and 1 by 14. How to solve it? See here again. Then after we will start our new chapter 5th, that is exponent and powers. Firstly see how to solve this question. What should be added to this? It means in this value what should be added. इसमें हमें क्या add करना चाहिए so that the sum is, ताकि उन दोनों numbers का sum क्या बन जाए, is equal to the product of this and this. It means according to statement, if we write down, then what we can write down? What should be added? Let P by Q should be added. Then according to statement, what should be added to this? It means in this 1 upon minus 2 minus 3 by 4 of 8 upon minus 15. In this if we add P by Q, then sum of this, दोनों रैशनल नंबर का sum is product of minus 7 by 50 and 1 by 14. It means we have to solve this. How to solve? In first case, firstly solve this one. Suppose I take this one first part, then this one I take second part, then we put the value in this and solve. In first part there is 1 upon minus 2 minus 3 by 4 of 8 upon minus 15. How to solve it? In this type of question we will apply the board mass. Board mass means bracket of division, multiplication, then addition, subtraction. In this C, there is subtraction and off here. It means before subtraction we will solve off condition, that it becomes 1 upon minus 2 minus 3 by 4. Off means we will do multiply, 8 upon minus 50. Firstly solve this thing. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. Minus 5 remaining 1 upon minus 2 minus 1 into 2, 2. 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Means it becomes 1 upon minus 2 minus minus plus 2 by 5. When you make the denominator positive, it becomes minus 1 by 2 upon 2 by 5. LCM is 10. 2 5s are 10 minus 5 plus 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. It means it becomes minus 1 by 10. What is the solution of first part? That is minus 1 by 10. Now solve the second part. Second part is equal to product. Product also means multiplication. It means we will do multiply of these two rational numbers. Solve it. Minus 7 by 50 multiply 14 ones are 14 plus 1, 15 by 14, 5 3s are 15, 5 10s are 50, 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14. Here minus sign, 1 into 3, 3, 10 into 2, 20. It means minus 3 upon 20. Both part value we have. Now put in this equation. What should be added to this? See, this result is minus 1 by 10 plus P by Q is equal to minus 3 by 20. It means our question becomes like this. Now solve it. We need the value of P by Q is equal to minus 3 by 20. When you take here, it becomes 1 by 10 positive. LCM 20 minus 3 plus 10 2s are 20, 2 1s are 2. That answer is minus 1 by 20. It means if we add minus 1 by 20 to this value, then our sum is equal to product of these two values. So this type, apply the board mass, then solve step by step this question. Okay. Now we will start our new chapter, fifth one. Already two worksheet taken of chapter 4, and some of the students do very good in that worksheet. Now today we start our new chapter, exponent and powers. See why there is a need of exponent and power. There is a Milky Way width, galaxy width like this, 946 if we want to read it, it is very typical for us. We have to do like this unit 10 place, 100 place, 1000 place, like this. We have to count it like this. Or we can say then how to read these type of notation, these type of values easily. So there is a need of exponent. It means, what is the exponent? Basically, when any number multiplied by itself several times. Suppose I take 3. I am multiplying 3 into 3 into 3 several times. Suppose this much time. Then how I write this thing in a short form that I can read easily? I see that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times we are multiplying a number. It means we can write down it is 3 power 6. So it is called a exponential form of a given data. So in this exponential form, it's easy to read that it is a 3 power 6. This one value is called our base, and this power we can say exponent, power, or sometimes it is called index also. So we can read any number when it is very large in size, that we use here exponential form. Now there is some rules to solve the exponent. Before this we take some example. Suppose I write down 4 into 4 into 4. How can I write down? If I need the base 4, then it becomes 4 power 3. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. It means it is minus 2 by 3 power 4. This is the value of base and this is exponent here. Now one thing remember here, whenever we are taking negative number, rational number, power or exponent, then it becomes this power is if odd, then your answer will be negative rational number. Or if any number, suppose x power even, then answer will be positive rational number or positive number. So always remember, if I take suppose minus 1 power odd is equal to minus 1, minus 1 power even is equal to plus 1. We never take 0 power 0 or 0 any power because it is not defined. Okay, see other examples. Your question is using exponent, write minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5 into minus 1 by 5. It means this pair is repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It becomes minus 1 upon 5 power 5. Okay, next. Find value of, suppose given to you 7 power 3. Now change into the standard form. 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. Do multiply. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. So this type we will solve. Suppose there is minus 2 power 6. Minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2. Firstly see the minus sign. See here how to do it. Minus minus plus plus minus 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 plus plus minus 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 plus. And I already told you that whenever negative power, negative number power is even, then your answer will be in positive. Now do multiply. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. It means our answer will be 64. Another examples we take. Suppose it is given to you 27. Express in power notation. What we will do for solving it, we will take the prime factorization of it. See, when you take the prime factorization, it will go divided by 3. It means we can write down 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 power 3. This type we will solve. Minus 216. Next question. How to solve it? Firstly, 216 take the prime factorization. Sorry, yes, 2, 27, then 3, 3 like this. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 minus here. It means with every we can take minus, then it become positive. Now see here, express in power notation. two types we can write down. Suppose we can write down 2 power 3 multiply 3 power 3. Or we can make the pair 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6 minus 6 power 3. See here, power is odd. It means if I write down minus 6 power 3, then it is also right or not? Because minus power odd becomes answer negative. But one thing, see here, minus x power 5 and minus x whole power 5. There is a, we can't say that it always equal. That minus x power we take anything and in the bracket we take anything, then it is always equal. What is the meaning of it? If I write down suppose minus 3 power 5, or if I write down minus 3 power 5, in this case maybe you will get the same answer. That 3 power 5, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243. So this answer is minus 243 and this answer also minus 243. But when you take minus 3 power 6 and suppose I take 4 or minus 3 power 4, then there is a difference. These are not equal because it means minus 81 or it means plus 81. So we can't say they are equal. So there is some difference. Check the power carefully. It is odd or even. Then decide your sign. Now see next example. Okay. Your question is 3 power 2 or 2 power 3 equal? Check it. 3 power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 9. 2 power 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. It means 3 power 2 does not equals to 2 power 3. It is greater than 2 power 3. So solve it properly. Another example, see. Simplify minus 2 power 2 multiply minus 3 power 3 multiply minus 5. Solve it. Minus 2 power 2, it means we can write down like this, minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 3 power 3, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 5. Now see, minus power even or odd, firstly check the sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means minus power even. We get the answer positive. Now we can take 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 3s are 36, 36, 3s are 108, 108 multiplied by 5, 540. It means our answer is positive 540. Another example take. Three power 3 plus 2 power 4. Firstly we solve the power. 3 into 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. According to BODMAS also, firstly we have to solve the multiplication. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. and answer is 43. This type we will solve questions based on the exponent and power. These are the simple questions. A statement question: a boy was asked to write 2 power 5 into 9 power 2, but he wrote 2592. The numerical difference between the two is, the numerical difference between the two is, find out. In this question, see what is given to you. A boy was asked to write 2 power 5 into 9 power 2, but he wrote 2592. The numerical difference, we have to find out the numerical difference between the two. It means in these two values, this one and this one. What is the difference between these two values? Then find out firstly. Boy was asked to write, it means correct. Solution, correct one. Correct value is equal to 2 power 5 into 9 power 2. Solve it firstly. 2 power 5, it means 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by, and 9 into 9. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. 32 9 the 9 to the 18, 9 3 the 27 or 128. 288 into 9, 9 8 the 72, 7 carry, 9 8 the 72 or 7, 9 7 carry, 9 to the 18, 18 or 7 25. Then our product is 2592. But boy write value is equal to 2592. Difference between these two is equal to 2592 minus 2592 is equal to 0. So we solve these type of statement question. Okay student, now your 5th A exercise complete. So do your 5th A exercise with examples in your fair notebook properly. 5th A exercise is your homework today. Okay, thank you student. In the next lecture we will start 5th B. Thank you.